Final accounts in the sense, whatever partners are there, for them we prepare financial statement, name, fame, reputation of any company, any product or anything, we call it as goodwill. What is a financial statement analysis? It is a comparison between your previous year and current year. That is called financial statement analysis. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your ALsir here, lecturer in Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Now we are discussing the topic called financial accounting and reporting. So earlier you had fundamentals of accounting and now you have shifted to financial accounting as well as reporting. So this is your second semester, your accounting topic. Now in this, what you are going to study, what are the textbook you are supposed to follow, what is your examination marks pattern, what are the important topics you have, which are the things we are going to cover, each and everything we will discuss in today's session. So what is the course outcome? Before you go for anything, before you choose anything, the first thing comes into your mind, what is the use of doing this? Similarly, what is the use of studying this particular topic? Now, the ability to prepare financial accounts of partnership firm. In your second PUC or class 12th, already you have done with your partnership of accounting. In this, we are not doing your admission, retirement, death, dissolution. These kind of topics will not touch, but we'll go with the final accounts. Final accounts in the sense, whatever partners are there, for them we prepare financial statement, trading, P&L, balance sheet, that kind of statement we will prepare in this topic. Then, the ability to understand the process of public issue of shares and accounting for the same. Nowadays, we watch every day the trading process, online trading, offline trading. These are the things are there. Stock market, yes. Similarly, how to purchase shares, how to sell your shares, what is the procedure, each and everything we will learn in the case of your public issue of shares and accounting for the same. And the next thing, ability to prepare final accounts of joint stock. The final accounts of joint stock company we will learn in this particular topic. Now usually in your future life, if you be an accountant, if you become a finance manager, the major task will be given to you, the preparation of final accounts. The basic fundas or basic things you will learn in this particular topic. The ability to prepare and evaluate vertical and horizontal analyses. I'll come in detail while explaining the syllabus. What do we mean by analysis? What is the meaning of financial statement analysis? These things will go in detail while discussing about your syllabus. And the last, the ability to understand companies' annual report. Annual report, it comes with your financial statement. Once you're done with your financial statement, the next process will be you have to give report on that. You have to justify. You have to communicate with the management in the form of what? Your report. These are the topics we will discuss in your syllabus. Module 1. So usually we call it as topic 1 or chapter 1, but as per the syllabus they have mentioned module 1. Module 1 in the sense chapter 1. The first one, final accounts of partnership firm. As I told you, you will not get admission, retirement, that kind of problems. You will get problems like the financial statement of partners in this. Meaning of partnership firm, there is a simple one, 2-mark question will be there. And partnership deed, what is a deed? Deed in the sense, the agreement between the partners. The clauses in partnership deed, preparation of final accounts of partnership firm. This is a major 15 marks. The major topic of this particular topic is preparation of final accounts of partnership firm. Trading and profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, partners capital account, as well as balance sheet goodwill. Now, in this, while preparing your financial statement, we don't go with only trading P&L and balance sheet. Under partnership, first we go with trading, profit and loss account, P&L appropriation account. We have to check individual partners, that will be called as partners capital account. Once you done with partners capital, the next step we call it as your balance sheet. These are the process, step-by-step things we have to do in final accounts of partnership. Then influencing goodwill and methods of valuation of goodwill. This is also one of the most important for 10 marks. Valuation of goodwill. How many methods are there? Everything we will learn in detail while doing this particular topic. We have average profit method. We have capitalization method. We have annuity method. So these are the methods we have. One more is super profit method. Usually we'll go with 4-1, average profit, super profit, capitalization, as well as your annuity. These are the types of or methods of valuation of goodwill. First we'll understand what is goodwill, then we'll go for methods for valuation of goodwill. What do you mean by goodwill? Goodwill in the sense name, fame, reputation of any company, any product or anything, we call it as goodwill. The second module, or we can call it as second chapter or unit, is called as issue of shares. Meaning of shares, types of shares. You know what are the types are there? Equity shares as well as preference shares. Issue of shares at par. Par means always remember actual value. If it is available for 10 rupee and you bought for 10 rupee, that is a par. At premium, the 10 rupee worth you are buying for 12 rupees due to huge demand for that. That is premium. Discount. The 10 rupee product you are getting at rupees 8, 2 rupees less, that we call it as discount. Priority allotment. Priority allotment I'll explain you while doing that particular topic. Then journal entries relating to issue of shares, preparation and representative ledger account. Representative ledger account in the sense you are supposed to do bank account. That is the only representative ledger account. Preparation of balance sheet in the vertical form. Practical problems. Again, you will get one more 15 marks problem. So, issue of shares in the sense, how do you sell your shares by the company? What is the procedure, application, allotment, first call, final call? Similarly, what you did in your second PUC at 12, almost similar kind of problems we will get. Next, unit number 3 or module 3. Final accounts of joint stock company. In your first semester, you have done final accounts of sole trader, individual. But here we do final accounts of what? Company, joint stock. It is also one of the easiest topics. Just you have to go with the format and whatever statements are there, you have to remember that. Under debit side, what will come? Credit side, what will come? What will come under balance sheet? What is the calculation of remuneration? Some small topics are there, concepts are there. If you learn those concepts, this will be the easiest topic for your examination. Model 4 is called as financial statement analysis. Analysis in the sense, for example, usually what happens, whatever the financial statements are there, it comes with what? 20 pages, 30 pages, 40 pages. All the P&L, balance sheet, trading account, working notes, all. Not what you do in the examination. In the practical case, in the companies, whatever they do, no financial statement, it comes minimum 20 pages. Your P&L, balance sheet, depreciation schedule, working notes, all the calculations, your reserves calculation, everything comes under more than 20 to 30 pages. A common man or management, if they are not from commerce background, they cannot understand this 20 pages. So what we are supposed to do? You have to give them a report. Final report, that is called your financial statement analysis. I'll give you simple example for financial statement analysis. For example, you're not a commerce background, you're not educated. Just assume that your friend is studying something, MBBS or something they are doing. Now, how that person is studying, how your friend is studying. He is studying good, he is studying bad, he is studying hard. Nothing you will understand. The only thing you will understand, he scored 96%. You feel that, oh, he has done well. He scored 57%. You feel that he has not secured even first class. His studies is very poor. He got 99%. You feel that he is genius. Why? Why this kind of feel will come? The reason is very simple. You cannot understand his subject, but you can understand the percentage. This is nothing but your financial statement analysis. Analysis means you have to analyze what was the last year value, profit, what is the this year profit, compare that, how much you have increased, how much you have decreased. All the final result will be given in the topic called your financial statement analysis. Hope you are clear. What is a financial statement analysis? It is a comparison between your previous year and current year. That is called financial statement analysis. In this you have comparative, common size, and one more is called as trend percentage. Your model number 5, corporate finance reporting. It is completely theory. You will get one 10-mark theory and one 2-mark theory from your corporate finance reporting practices. Very small topic actually. While doing this particular topic, it takes maximum 20 to 25 minutes to complete this particular topic. We'll go for that in detail while doing this particular topic. So along with your syllabus, as you know that your examination for how many marks? Your examination for 60 marks. What about balance 40? This complete 40, we call it as skill development. Skill development means some activities will be given to you that will be guided by the faculty. So you have to do that particular project or particular skill development thing. Next. So there are 4 skill developments are there. Any 2 you are supposed to do under the guidance of your faculty. Collect financial statement. Refer annual reports of 2 companies. Draft a partnership deed. It is a simple, easiest one. Easily you will get also. List out the accounting policy. These are your skill developments are there. Out of 4, you are supposed to do what? Minimum 2. Your internals. Internals, as you know that this will be for how many marks? 30 marks. You may get confusion. Sir, internals is 40 marks. How come it is 30? But your examination will be conducted for 30 and balance 10 will be considered. Your behavior, your attendance, everything will be considered for this 10 marks. Your overall marks will be considered 40. Next, these are your internals topic. Internals 1, internals 2, internals 3. Internals 1 and internals 2 both are compulsory. Due to some valid reason, you have any professional examination, any health issue, anything happened to your family members, these kind of cases are there. For the extreme stages with proper permission and valid reason, they will be provided internals 3. One who missed any one of these 2 internals. So for your whole semester, 2 internals are must. If you feel that, so both the internals I have attended, is this compulsory to go for internals 3? Yes, it is not compulsory, but for you, for betterment of your studies, go for internals 3 also, so that you can cover all the topics. Internals 1 will be unit 1 and 2, unit 3, unit 4 and 5. If you attend all 3 internals, it will be helpful for your final examination. Instead of preparing all the 5, make breaks and you can prepare well. And these are the question paper pattern. What you did in your first semester, the same question paper pattern will be used or given in your second semester. So part A, 2 marks, total 5 questions will be there. Part B, 10 marks, 2 questions will be there. Part C is 15 marks, 2 questions. You are supposed to attend 2, but the options will be there. The overall marks will be considered as 60 marks. So minimum passing. So you may think that, sir, what is the passing marks? So remember, your passing marks should be always 40. This is including your examination marks and internal marks. Never forget this. Your 40 marks is including what? Your examination marks of 60 out of 60, as well as your internal marks of out of 40. All put together, your total must be how much? 40. Assume that out of internals you got 40. Whether your pass, your examination is 0? No. Remember, from your examination, minimum 21 is required. Overall total must be how much? 40. From your examination, you must score minimum 21. Rest you can take from your internals. Hope you are clear. Overall passing is 40, but there is a condition that you should score minimum 21 from your examination. If you get 20 also, you fail. Hope you are clear. I'll give you one example. You scored out of 60, 20. Internals out of 40, 40. Even though it is 60, you fail. The reason is what? Yes, the reason is this is not 21. Your out of 60, your marks should be above 21. Hope you are clear. So these are the books actually they have mentioned in your syllabus copy by MYSURU University. If you want, you can buy and you can refer these books. For Vidhyaashramites, it is not required actually, because more than what you require, we will provide you. Because whatever is there as per your syllabus, the complete notes will be provided from the college itself. That is more than sufficient to score 60 out of 60. Clear? Your Vidhyaashram offline classes, online recording, along with whatever notes provided by the faculty. Please follow that to score centum in your subject. So I'll go back to all the slides. If you want to take any screenshot, you can take. This is your subject, course outcome, Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5, skill development activities, your internals pattern, question paper pattern, minimum marks for pass, books for reference. This is all about your today's session. So we have done with your syllabus coverage, we have done with your question paper pattern, internals, all the topics which you require to know or you are supposed to know before we start this topic. So you got to know all the topic. The next section will commence with your topic. Unit 1 to Unit 5 we will complete. Thank you.